Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn about decimal place value chart. Decimal place value chart. In the previous class, you learned about what is a decimal number. A decimal number has a point which is known as decimal point. The decimal point separates the whole number part and the decimal part. Decimal point separates the whole number part and the decimal part, isn't it? Okay, this you already know. Now we are going to learn how to place a number in the place value chart. Okay, let me explain this, children. This is a decimal place value chart. Decimal place value chart. Okay. This is the decimal point, this dot, and to the left of the decimal point, which is the part, children? Whole number part. Whole number part. And on the right side, which is decimal part or fractional part. Okay. So the decimal point, this point separates the number into whole number part and a decimal part. Okay. You already learned about the place values of a decimal number. Sorry, children, whole number. Whole number. Whole numberന്റെ places നിങ്ങൾ നേരത്തെ തന്നെ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? Which are the places? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. The smallest place is ones, then further to the left tens, then hundreds, thousands, etc. അല്ലേ? അങ്ങനെയല്ലേ പഠിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. For a 4-digit number, these are the places of a whole number. Whole number. Whole number means a number without a decimal point. Okay. $3,437. Which are the places here, children? 7 at ones place, 3 at tens place, 4 at hundreds place, and 3 at thousands place. Okay. But we need a place value chart like this to represent a decimal number. Decimal number. If we move right to the decimal point, right side to the decimal point, this is the decimal point. When we move to the right side of the decimal point, the first place is known as tens. Tens. T-E-N-T-H-S. Tens. Okay. If you move further to the right, we will get the tens place. Tens. Okay. The next place is, the second place to the right side is hundreds. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. എന്നിട്ട് THS എന്ന് എഴുതാം. Hundreds. Okay. Hundreds. The place is known as hundreds. And the third place to the right side is thousandth. Thousand എന്ന് എഴുതിയിട്ട് എഴുതുക. എന്നിട്ട് THS എന്ന് എഴുതുക. Thousandth. Okay. So children, The decimal part starts from the right side of the decimal point. Decimal point in the right side ulla part aanu decimal part. Okay. The first place is tens. First place in parayna പേര് എന്താണ്? Tens. 10 എഴുതിയിട്ട് THS. Tens. The second place to the right side is hundredth. Hundredth. And the third place is thousandth. Thousandth. Okay. Then the fourth place is 10,000th. It will go like this, children. Okay. Let me explain this, children. This is a decimal place value chart. And here this is the decimal point. To the left side of the decimal point, whole number part, whole number part. And to the right side it is decimal part. Clear? Decimal part. Now the places in the decimal part. Places in the decimal part. Okay. If we move to the right side, if we move to the right side to the of the decimal point, the first place is tens. Tens. 10 എഴുതിയിട്ട് THS. Tens. Okay. The second place is hundredth. Hundredth. 100 എഴുതിയിട്ട് THS. Okay. The third place is thousandth. Thousand എഴുതിയിട്ട് THS. These are the places in the decimal part. Decimal part. Clear? Children, we will write these numbers, the given numbers in a decimal part. Okay, let us place this in the place value chart. Decimal place value chart. Okay. First start from the whole number part. Whole number part. The number is 0, 0.6. Which is a whole number part, children? The digit at the whole number part is 0. 0. So 0 ones and 6 is in the tens place. At the tens place. 0.6. Next is 0.05. 0.05. 0 at the ones place, whole number, and the first place, this place is 10th place, and the second place to the right side is 100th place. 100th. So 0.05. Okay. Then the third number, 3.8. 3 is at ones place. Ones place. Point in the left side നമ്മൾ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യണം. ഹോൾ നമ്പർ പാർട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോൾ 3 is at ones place. The whole number part is over. Isn't it? Now decimal part. Decimal part. The first place is 10th place. Which is the digit in the 10th place? 8. Okay. Next number is 15.001. Start with the whole number part first. Okay. നമ്മൾ എപ്പോഴും എഴുതുമ്പോൾ whole number part എന്ന് start ചെയ്യുക. These digits are in the whole number part. 5 ones and 1 tens. That is over. Okay. Now let us place the decimal part. Decimal part. Digits at the decimal part. The first digit is 0. 0 tens. Then second is again 0. 0 hundredth. Then third is 1. 1,000th. 1,000th. Okay. So in the first number, only 10th place. The whole number part is 0. So at the ones place 0 and tens place 6. And in the second number, 0 in the ones place, and in the decimal part 0 in the 10th place and 5 in the 100th place. 5 in the 100th place. Okay. Now 3.8, 3 at the ones place and 8 at the 10th place. 10th place. And in 15.001, first we will start in the whole number part, from the whole number part. Okay. So 5 at ones place and 1 at 10th place. Whole number part is over. Now coming to the decimal part. Decimal part is 001. 0 at 10th place and again 0 at 100th place and 1 at 1000th place. Okay. Let us do more examples, children. Now let us place this number 549.127 in the place value chart. Place this number in the place value chart. As I told you, always start the whole number part. Whole number part. Okay. So which is the whole number part, children? Whole number part ഏതാണ്? ഡെസിമലിൻ്റെ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡ് ഉള്ളത് അല്ലേ? This is the whole number part. Whole number part. ഡെസിമലിൻ്റെ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡ് ഉള്ള ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് ആണ് whole number പാർട്ടിൽ. Okay. Now let us place this in the place value chart. 9 ones place, 4 tens place, then 5 at hundreds place. So 9 at ones place, 4 at tens place and 5 at hundreds place. Okay. So the whole number part is over. Now let us place the decimal part. Which is the decimal part, children? Decimal point in the right side ഉള്ളത് അല്ലേ? This is decimal part. Decimal part. Now let us place these digits in the place value chart. First place tenths. Okay. Second place 100th. Third place 1000th. 1000th. 10th. T and THS. Tenths. Hundredths. 100 കഴിഞ്ഞൊരു THS. Okay. Hundredths. Then 1000th. THS. Okay. So 1 at hundredths place. 1 at tenths place. 2 at hundredths place and 7 at thousandths place. Okay. The first place, decimal point കഴിഞ്ഞ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലുള്ള ഫസ്റ്റ് പ്ലേസിൻ്റെ നെയിം എന്താണ്? ടെൻസ്. സെക്കൻഡ് പ്ലേസ് ഹൺഡ്രഡ്സ്. തേർഡ് പ്ലേസ് തൗസൻഡ്ത്ത്. ഫോർത്ത് പ്ലേസ് 10,000s. It will continue so on. Okay. So children, a decimal number has two parts, whole number part and a decimal part. The decimal point separates these two parts. The decimal point separates these two parts. To the right side of the decimal point, the part is known as whole number part, and to the right side it is known as decimal part. Okay. Here we are writing the number, placing the number in the given place value chart. The number given is 549.127. Read it as 127. Okay. As you already learned, the smallest place in the whole number part is ones, then tens, hundred, thousands. It will continue. So write the digit at the ones place first, that is 9. Then write the digit at the tens place, that is 4. Then write the digit at the hundreds place, that is 5. So whole number part is over. Now let us place the digits at the decimal part. Decimal part. The first place is tens place, Okay, when we move to the right side, we will get 10th place first, second place 100th, third place 1000th. 1000th or 1000th, both are same, children. Okay. Now let us do few examples. $35.09. Which is a whole number part, children? 35. Okay. Let us place the digits first. 5 ones, 3 tens. So 5, 3 here. That is over. കഴിഞ്ഞു അല്ലേ? ഇനി എന്താ നോക്കണ്ടേ? Decimal part. Decimal part. Which are the digits? 0 and 3. Where is 0? At 10th place. Because 0 is the first digit to the right side. First digit. So 0 tens and 9 hundreds. Clear? Now next number is 4.751. ടീച്ചർ എങ്ങനെ ഇതിനെ വായിച്ച 4.751 എന്നാണ്, നോട്ട് 751. ദറ്റ് ഈസ് റോങ് കേട്ടോ. After the decimal, you should read the digits like this, 751. Clear? Start with the whole number part. Whole number part only one digit അല്ലേ? അത് ഏത് place ആണ്? Ones. So write here. Then look at the decimal part. 751. Which is the first digit, children? Right side first digit ഏതാ? 7. അപ്പോൾ 7 tens. Then second digit 5 hundreds and third digit 1000th. Okay. Now let us do one more example. $400.89. Okay. Start with the whole number part. Whole number part is 400. 0 ones, 0 tens, 4 hundreds. Isn't it? So 0, 0, 4. That is over. Whole number part is over. ഇനി എന്താ നോക്കണ്ടേ? Decimal part. Which is the digits? The first place 8. That is tens. 8 tens, 9 hundreds. 8 tens, 9 hundreds. Okay. Now we will do one more question also. $1,239.6. Which is a whole number part, children? 1239. അല്ലേ? 1239. So 9 ones, 3 tens, 2 hundreds and 1 thousands. It is over. Now look at the decimal part. Only one digit at the decimal part അല്ലേ? Which is the place? Tens. 6. Okay. So children, today you learn about how to place a given decimal number in the place value chart. Okay. You already know that a decimal number has two parts, a whole number part and a decimal part. To the right of the decimal point is a decimal part and to the left of the decimal point is the whole number part. Okay. The whole number part, the places are ones, tens, 100, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, so on. It will continue. In the places in the decimal parts are first place tens, T and THS, second place 100th, HUNDREDTHS. 100 എന്ന് എഴുതിയിട്ട് ഒരു THS. Then third is thousandth or 1000th. Both are same. 1000 എഴുതിയിട്ട് THS. Okay. Hope this topic is clear for you. If you have any doubt about this, you can post a message. Okay. We can use a decimal place value chart to find the place values of the digits in a decimal number also. That we will learn in our next class. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you, children.